So tomorrow is Mother's Day, and I want to wish all the moms, whether it's biological step, whether it's a dad having to be a mom, whether it's a fur mom, basically any kind of mom, happy Mother's Day, especially to my mom, Marcia Harmon. I don't know if she'll watch this or not, but I thought this was the perfect book for the topic of Mother's Day. And kids, I hope you haven't forgotten to either get your mom a card or make her a card, show her that she matters to you, that you took time, which is the greatest gift, and put a lot of thought and a lot of heart into whatever you decide to give your mother. And to all those mothers or grandmothers who are not here and in heaven, like my grandmother McDowell, you are never far from our heart and our thoughts. And I have other family members that were mothers, and they are in heaven as well. And we just want to say thank you for just being blessed with the time here on earth that we got to know you. And thank you for teaching us all that mother is a word for peace, understanding, love, compassion, kindness, and let's read the book, Donna. Okay. By Tim Warren's Mommy Mine, illustrated by Jane Chapman, from the illustrator of The Bear Snores On. And it says, the best mom in the world is Mommy Mine. So here we go. Again, it's Mommy Mine by Tim Warren's, illustrated by Jane Chapman, Scholastic. I'm not seeing the copyright. And as she said that on the next page, copyright 2005. Okay. For Mommy Cuddles, TW and JC. Mommy Huge, Mommy Hairy. Now, why did they say Mommy Huge? Because there's the child. There's the mom, hippo, and then there's the child, there's the mama, spider. Mommy spiny, mommy scary. And look at that. Is that a crocodile or an alligator? I'll let y'all argue it out. And then there's the babies. Mommy flutter. There's a dragonfly, a butterfly, or is that two butterflies? Sorry. And we got some caterpillars there that is turning into butterflies. Mommy chatter. And there's toucans and a baby toucan. Mommy tiny. Those are mice. Pitter patter. Mommy loud. Big elephant. Little elephant. Mommy stomp. Mommy munch and mommy chomp. So there's the two giraffes, mommy and baby. And those are my favorites. Tigers. Bengal tigers. Mommy full. Mommy grubby. See the little baby pigs and the big pig? Mommy croak, mommy chubby. See the little frog, the tadpoles, and then the frog? Mommy jump, mommy funny. These are all lemur mommies, and they have those little lemurs on the back. Icky, sticky, mommy honey. So there's your bees giving the bears honey, and that's the mama bear. And here's her cubs. Mommy snoozing, mommy lazy. See the seals? Clumsy, mommy, oopsie daisy. And the penguins? Mommy noisy. See the little baby parrots and the big parrot? Mommy nosy. See the anteater and its baby? Mommy Carrie. Oh, look at those little koalas. Mommy Cozy, the kangaroo and her little kangaroo. I know I'm probably not naming them right, but at least we're getting through the book. Mommy cuddle on the vine. See all the little monkeys with their mommies? Mommy kisses. Aw, that little baby. Mommy mine. And here we see the bear with the cubs, the tigers, the hippos, the giraffes, the parrots, the monkeys, the mice, the elephant, the koala, the toucan, the penguin. And they're leaving a book. And that's the end of Mommy Mine. Thank you for joining me. And again, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, and especially mine, Marcia Harmon, and especially to my late grandma, Martha McDowell, and to everyone in our life which my mom and mine and my fur animals, that you have blessed us with just the honor of knowing you. And if you're a mother, happy Mother's Day.